2 and about 1/4 teaspoon of yeast. This is a dried active yeast. And then a bit of sugar. And just stir a little bit. And we'll put it aside, okay? Here in a bowl, just put 1 large egg, butter, and mix it. And then here comes our mixture of yeast and milk. So we'll just put that there, mix it together. Okay. And put our flour mixture with sugar, salt. Okay. So just mix it thoroughly. Okay, just keep mixing it, guys. Just gonna knead it for about around 7 to 10 minutes, guys. So it's almost ready. It's getting stretchy. Then once it's ready, we'll put it in the bowl with oil, and then just to rest it for an hour until it doubles. Okay, now, there we go, getting there. There we go, guys. It's ready for it to rise. Okay, so we'll put it in here in our bowl that with an oil. Okay, and cover it with foil until it double its size. Okay. All right, beautiful cheese. So just get all the air out. Okay. a minute to have it like proof a bit more to rise a bit. About another 10 minutes. And then we'll put the cheese filling. Okay. Cup of sugar, we'll mix it with 1/2 cup of powdered milk. So you just mix them together. So this time we're gonna do our milky cheese bread. So we'll just do this bit, okay, and then cook it with our sugar and look at that. Just remember my younger years. Look at that. And it's all stringy. Enjoy with your coffee.